Doesn't seem to be bothered with us though. Well, it's about 8 o'clock in the evening and we're just off to empty the dog. We thought we'd take a little walk from the caravan site down to the beach. This is the thing we're taking for a walk, and that one as well. Hello.
Hello.
This is the exit from the touring site. And if you can make out, there's a yellow sign on the opposite side of the road. What says to the beach? We walk down here about 50 yards and then we'll go through the fence and come back on ourselves. Yeah. As you see, we're just by the entrance barrier and another sign to the beach, through into the woods, and we'll walk all the way down here with the dog. It's just a straight walk. This is basically the dog walk. I know it's not a part of the caravan site, but this is known as the dog walk, and this will take us down to the beach. Well, we're walking towards the beach now. We're probably about 100 metres away, maybe 200 metres away, and this is one of Lauren's favourite sites, I think, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because we have been coming here every year for about the last 6 years, sometimes more than once. But the site has everything. It's reasonably priced. It has a swimming pool, it has a bar and pub room, it has a shop. There's a supermarket just down the road, next roundabout down. There's an Aldi there now, there's a Morrison's, you've got Greggs, you've got McDonald's. You're 10 minutes from Lowestoft, less than half an hour's drive from Great Yarmouth, and 5-minute walk to the beach at Kessingland. The swimming pool itself, there's 3 swimming pools. There's a paddling pool for toddlers, there's a normal swimming pool for swimming, then there's another pool which has a flume going into it, which the kids seem to like. The flumes operate it twice a day, about 2 hours in the morning and 2 hours in the afternoon. I think the pool is open from about 9 o'clock in the morning, I think, till about 5 or 6, I think, in the evening. There is a lifeguard on duty now. This is the first year they've had one. I did hear there is an incident in the area, not on this site, so they decided to put a lifeguard up. Well, here we are. We're at the beach. Well, so the beach, we're on a cliff top. Apparently there's about 100 steps down to the beach, which I won't be doing today, but I will turn the camera around and you can have a look and see for yourself. A view from the cliff tops at Kessingland. Sunrise Coast. Walking along the cliff top, and just in the brambles, if you can see it, there's a bunker. I wonder if there's any more down here. And we're on our way back to the caravan now. Now return to the top of the stairs, which goes down to the beach. And there's another walk along the cliffs, but for another day. Today, back home. Just in the field. Don't know if you can see it. Won't focus in. But it looks like it's a deer. Well, I think I'll leave the deer alone now.